Oh, my friends, you look amazing. And that amazingness we explore today, my friends. We went to the class, the dance class, we danced salsa, my friends. And after all that, we went to drink. And as we kept talking and doing all these things, my friends, I heard from many kids, not in a manner that they were saying it, but they hadn't sang them. You know what? Vulgarity, that eagerness to mild pleasures, my friends, especially the pleasures of a woman. And I see many kids standing at the feet of the woman. Why, my friends? You deserve so little. Many kids, my friends, get validation when they go out with a woman. They say, yes. Do you need validation? Do you need to prove your worth, my friends? Don't you have the confidence? Don't you have the courage? Don't you have all these things, my friends? We all have them, and I'm sure you have them too, my friends. So stop chasing women just to validate your confidence or your everything. If you want to be with someone, be with him because you love him, because he inspired you. As I have said, my friends, I don't say I love him. She inspired me to do this. She inspired me to do that. She inspired me. Did you understand, my friends? So go with someone because she inspired you, not because for your worth, to prove that you are worthy, or because of the thing that he has. I like her because he has physical quality. These things attract us, my friends. And you know what? It is normal. The thing that we can do, my friends, is to hold ourselves, to see if we have a beautiful girl, my friends. If you say to her, you are beautiful, she will say to you indirectly, and you are like everyone else. Everyone else. Do you want to be like everyone else and fail like everyone else? Or do you want to be like nobody else? Like a man who is out of everything. A man who has a great presence. A man who does all these things. And my friends, don't hear these glorified words, these big words and think, oh, I have to do big things. No, my friends, you don't have to do the big things. You don't have to go and buy jewelry, go buy all these things. You do these things with your presence, with how you present yourself, my friends. You know something? Don't say she's beautiful. Appear to be uninterested to her charm. Make fun with her. Fun teasing her. Because many guys don't tease. They fear of teasing, my friends, and that's why they get nothing. Because, my friends, when you tease the other person, you impose a little bit of yourself. You impose, and that shows confidence, my friends. And the other person, specifically a woman, to which everyone will be nice and oh yes, yes, yes. You will be the opposite. You have value, my friends. You are worthy of many things. So, raise your standards. Raise them, my friends. Raise them. Validation. The only guys who need validation are those who have no confidence. Which guy do you want to be? The guy who has no confidence or the guy who is full of it? Full of it, maybe it is wrong. Friends, it isn't something measurable. It isn't, let's say I have 1 kilo of confidence. It's a thing that you have in every circumstance. Whatever I will pass through, I will be okay.